Area I throw salute and I don't wake up for football and everything. After match, talk am how you see am. I beg, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to show area love normally. Press that subscribe button and turn on the notification button so that it will notify you every time and anytime we'll be like, say, we drop our get content them. Aston Villa 2 and Arsenal 4. And we get Oga Obed, we be like saying a strong Arsenal fan. He say, him be Arsenal fan forever. Make on tell us about how you see this game. Oga Obed, you know, say when your team lose against Everton, can't draw against Brentford. People say everywhere don't spoil. They can't lose against Man City. They can't say the matter don't tie Rapai, don't tie Gilly. Say, be like say Aston Villa, they fit still drop points again. First half, Arsenal can't lose the match, but Arsenal can come back from that lose, can win this game 4-2. How you see your team?
I go first of all commend their mentality because normally it takes a very strong will to come out from those low moments. But we'll be Arsenal now, you know how they be normally. And I must really commend Jorginho. Jorginho did a very brilliant work today. And you see him now, it's crystal clear now. Even the blind would actually see what Jorginho did today. So he had a very good game. And what a time to even contribute to that goal. So Arsenal, we did well. But generally, after we draw against Everton, draw against Brentford, lose against Man City, I always say somehow there's something about this team. There's something about the team. They actually very tact with the way that they do things. So what we go talk now? I know those times they try to interview me since, but I not agree. But today interview me as long as you get.
No wahala. So Oga Obed, you talk about Jorginho now. You know that this signing, when they sign him, some Arsenal fans now 50-50. Some people say this signing get us CB. Some people say, be like said the manager really want him because according to the story where we hear, they say no be today Mikel Arteta don't put eye for him, but even from the time when he did Napoli, say when Mikel Arteta been dey work with Pep Guardiola for Man City, they been one sign him that time. But this signing, some Arsenal fans talk say they don't like him. Some say make them just back him. But you as an Arsenal fan, how you dey see Jorginho performance since him become Arsenal player?
Like wetin white people they talk say there is no art to show the mind's construction on the face. The guy has always been a very calm person, a calm player normally. Me, when he come, I dey skeptic about his own coming, but I can't take my time watch some of his clips. They give some kind of key passes when needed, and the guy good now still 50-50, but after today he raised the bar. He don't enter 70-30 first.
Nah, like
today,
this,
yeah,
nah.
like this first.
So you as Arsenal fan, you think say more Arsenal fans will support this signing now?
Even from this episode of watch and so, a lot of Arsenal fans felt his impact, and we are really impressed.
So who be your man of the match?
Jorginho.
Clear for you.
Jorginho a man of the match. Even yourself know. Jorginho a man of the
I
match.
want to ask you about the title race now because Arsenal began to about 8 points lead. It can't be like saying now the title lead you don't get as to be. How you dey see the title race? You as Arsenal fan, you still dey confident say Arsenal go fit win this league?
Me personally, I'm not really concerned about the league. We take it every match that comes. We take it like that. You get like wetin they talk say. If Pikin don't to describe how Shayo they be, they'll give our money, me go buy am. We don't to describe and say we won't win. Now they don't give us opportunity, we go final. So we final first, we know how it go be. But now open race between us now. Now 2 horse race between Arsenal and Man City. I don't really see Man U coming on, but between Arsenal and Man City. So we still get chance. But if we not still win and 2, we still try.
So you don't dey talk somehow say you want to take them small, may not be like say you walk up past your shadow.
It has always been like that.
Okay, so I want to ask you, as Arsenal fan, what will be your expectation? What do you expect from this team by the end of the season?
We are not going to get anything less than second by the end of the day. Anything less than second is not permissible in Arsenal. So we are going to do well. That's what I just feel.
So what about the Europa League? What do you expect from that competition?
That one, anywhere you be now, we're going to jump now. We know now we go win that one normally. But we just stay calm. We just stay calm, one step at a time. But that one said we go still try. But this league on first, we they win this one. We'll never get any fixture for the Europa League yet. They never hook us with anybody, but we go try.
So before I let you go, Oga Obed, one last question. Zinchenko, today he score in first Premier League goal. Player when don't get experience from Man City, don't win, not be one league safe. He don't win plenty things from Man City. What do you get to talk about those players since he become Arsenal player?
Oh my God, Zinchenko is extraordinary. wetin white people dey call extraordinary rare player. Like the guy as a player, he did very amazing. So I must really commend him. Very good. You see the way they always go, or they make some mistakes, so which is normal because he's human. But I guess some of my guys for let's say now for Arsenal go first score in first Premier League goal, and God don't finally do am. He don't run. The guy gets you in leadership qualities alone self. See against Man City where we concede the first goal. He held our players and we're like, I'm gonna try, we go see try. So the guy generally a very tactical, very organized, and very pragmatic leader for field. So kudos to him.
All right, now, Oga thank you for your time. Your
My
face
country
show.
people,
Now, lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.